Hard to wake up when the shades have been pushed shut. This house is haunted, it's so pathetic, it makes no sense at all. I'm right with things to say, the words rather fall away. Stupid home, fixes home, I read it every day. So here's your day. Hope you enjoy this time. You gave it all away. It was mine, so when you didn't know. Will you remember this night 20 years old? It's not right. Anger hurts my ears. Been running strong for 7 years. And we fixed the problems they never solved. And it makes no sense at all. I see them every day. We get along, so why can't they? If this is what he wants and it's what she wants, then